Hey guys, so I'm here at Starbucks on this rainy day and I'm going to try the cookie dough Frappuccino. Okay, so it's a cinnamon dolce cream Frappuccino with 2 pumps of mocha syrup for a grande and Java chips blended in, topped with cookie crumble and chocolate whip. So let's see how it comes out. I'm waiting to pay now. I'm excited. I'm hoping it's good. I think it will be because I like cookie dough, so we shall see. Here we go. Hello. Hi.
You were my cinnamon graham cracker topping?
Yes.
$5.35.
Good, how are you?
I'm surviving. Making myself laugh because it's never a lot of pain. Alright, so would you like your receipt?
Sure, thank you.
For you, dear?
Thank you.
Very welcome.
Here you are, love.
Thank you.
You're welcome. What is that recipe for?
It's supposed to be cookie dough.
It's supposed to be what?
Cookie dough. I found it on the secret menu.
It looks good.
Thank you. Here's what it looks like. Let's do a taste test. Yup. I like it. Definitely very, very good. Very, very good. I definitely recommend this drink. Another taste test in the books. Bye guys. I'll see you for another video. Like, comment, share, subscribe if you haven't already. Bye. See you soon. I'm at work now, but I just wanted to say the Starbucks that I went to did not have the chocolate whip, so I just got regular whip on it. And yeah, so they said that the cookie stuff is from the s'mores frap, so if you wanted that information, but it is very good. And again, this is what it looks like. I already told you guys the ingredients, so yeah, you should definitely try it. Definitely. All right, bye guys.